Darren Leung runs this New York City shooting range.
This is a little bit newer from Smith Wesson. It is their 1911 series, okay, more or less designed to be like a government .45.
They also sell guns, this being among their more popular brand.
People know the name Smith & Wesson. They trust the name Smith & Wesson. And again, you know, these are definitely workhorses. Hunters use them. Police officers use them. Your recreational shooter enjoys having a Smith & Wesson also.
It's not just Smith & Wesson that's seeing record profits. Interest in guns is on the rise. In 2012, more than 19 million people applied for a background check to purchase a gun here in the United States. That's an increase of almost 20% from the year before.
That despite the shootings at a cinema in Aurora, Colorado last July, and an elementary school in Newtown, Connecticut last December. Since then, the Obama administration has repeatedly called for stricter gun legislation.
If you want to buy a gun, whether it's from a licensed dealer or a private seller, you should at least have to show you are not a felon or somebody legally prohibited from buying one. This is common sense.
But the threat of tougher rules doesn't appear to be harming gun makers.
We've seen this before. Think about tobacco. You know, over the last 15, 20 years, there's been all kinds of threats about tobacco, and these are still among the most profitable companies out in the market. And while it might hurt their stock price, they're making lots of money in terms of cash flow and economic profit and revenue.
We're Americans. This country was founded upon the firearm. You know, we do live in a gun society, you know, just like anything else, though. I mean, it is just another item that we like to have. You know, it's our right to have firearms.
With so many Americans believing gun ownership is a right, companies like Smith & Wesson will always have customers. Samira Hussein, BBC News, New York.